The question says that the figure 9.27 A and B show refraction of a ray in the air incident at 60 degree with a normal to the glass air and the water air interface respectively. Predict the angle of refraction in glass when the angle of incidence in water is 45 degree with the normal to the water glass interface. Now we have been given two cases of air glass interface and water air interface, and we have to find out what is the angle of refraction in the glass water interface when the ray is incident in the water and going to the glass media. So we will use Snell's law over here. Here for convenience I have taken the refractive index of glass as N1 and refractive index of air as N2 and refractive index of water as N3. Now let's revisit the Snell's law. So it says that when a ray is moving from one media to another, let's say that it is incident in the media of refractive index N1 and it is going in the media of refractive index N2, and it is making an angle of I with the normal in the incident media, and it is going to make an angle of R. So by Snell's law we know that N1 sine I would be equal to N2 sine R. Now we will use this in order to find the alpha, that is the angle of refracted ray in the glass media. So using Snell's law in the first diagram we see that N1 sine 35 degree is going to be equal to N2 times sine 60 degree. Similarly equation 2 we will get from the second figure as N2 sine 60 degree is going to be equal to N3 sine 47 degree. Now similarly we will see here that N1 sine alpha is going to be equal to N3 sine 45 degree. Now solving equation 1 and 2 we will get N1 sine 35 degree is going to be equal to N3 sine 47 degrees. Now we will use this and the third equation to find out the value of sine alpha, because we can cancel out N1 and N3 from these two equations. So by dividing equation 3 by 4 we will get sine alpha by sine 35 degrees is equals to sine 47 degrees by sine 45 degree. Now substituting the values we will get sine alpha is equals to 0.6 approximately, and now if we take inverse then we will get a value of 36.8 degrees. So we see that the value of alpha is going to be equal to approximately 36.8 degrees. Thank you.